The aroma of simmering vegetables and herbs filled the air, a familiar scent that always transported me back to my grandmother's kitchen. Evenings at her house were a celebration of simple, wholesome food, and the centerpiece was often a steaming pot of minestrone soup. She'd ladle out generous portions, the vibrant colors of the vegetables a feast for the eyes, the rich broth a comfort to the soul. It wasn't just a meal, it was a ritual, a connection to family and tradition, and a testament to the power of nourishing food. Grandma always said that the secret to a long and healthy life wasn't some magical elixir, but rather the everyday choices we make about what we put into our bodies. She believed in the power of simple, fresh ingredients prepared with love and care. Her minestrone soup wasn't just delicious, it was a testament to her philosophy. A bowl brimming with vitamins, minerals, and the wisdom of generations. It was a culinary inheritance, a gift she passed down to her children and grandchildren, a legacy of health and well-being. Watching her chop vegetables, her hands moving with practiced ease, was like witnessing an artist at work. She'd hum a little tune as she added each ingredient, a pinch of this, a dash of that, transforming humble vegetables into a culinary masterpiece. The kitchen would become a sanctuary, a place where the worries of the day melted away, replaced by the comforting sounds of bubbling soup and the promise of a nourishing meal. And the taste, it was simply divine. The broth, rich and flavorful, the vegetables tender yet still retaining a bit of bite, the beans adding a creamy texture and a subtle earthiness. Each spoonful was a burst of flavor, a symphony of textures, a reminder of the simple pleasures in life. It was a taste that lingered long after the last drop was savored, a taste that evoked memories of family, love, and the enduring power of good food. Minestrone soup is more than just a delicious meal. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that contribute to overall health and longevity. The combination of beans, vegetables, and whole grains creates a synergistic blend of nutrients that work together to support various bodily functions, from boosting the immune system to promoting healthy digestion. This hearty soup is a testament to the fact that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. The fiber content in minestrone is particularly noteworthy. Fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system, regulating blood sugar levels, and promoting feelings of fullness, which can aid in weight management. It also contributes to heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels. This makes minestrone a great choice for those looking to improve their overall health and well-being. The variety of vegetables in minestrone provides a wide spectrum of vitamins and minerals. From the vitamin C in tomatoes to the vitamin A in carrots, each vegetable contributes its unique set of nutrients to create a balanced and nourishing meal. The vibrant colors of the vegetables are not just visually appealing, they are also indicators of the rich antioxidant content, which helps protect the body against cell damage. Minestrone is also a great source of plant-based protein thanks to the inclusion of beans. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, maintaining muscle mass, and supporting a healthy immune system. The combination of protein and fiber in minestrone makes it a satisfying and sustaining meal that can keep you feeling full and energized for hours. It's the perfect example of how a simple, wholesome meal can provide a wealth of nutritional benefits. Beans, the humble legumes that form the heart of minestrone soup, are nutritional powerhouses. Packed with protein, fiber, and essential minerals, beans are a cornerstone of a healthy diet and contribute significantly to longevity. They are a versatile ingredient readily available and affordable, making them an accessible source of nutrition for people of all backgrounds. The high fiber content in beans promotes healthy digestion, regulating bowel movements and preventing constipation. Fiber also helps to lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Furthermore, the soluble fiber in beans helps to stabilize blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar. Beans are also an excellent source of plant-based protein, making them a valuable addition to vegetarian and vegan diets. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, maintaining muscle mass, and supporting a healthy immune system. The combination of protein and fiber in beans makes them a satisfying and sustaining food, promoting feelings of fullness and helping to manage weight. Beyond their protein and fiber content, beans are also rich in essential minerals like iron, folate, and potassium. Iron is crucial for red blood cell production and oxygen transport, while folate is essential for cell growth and development. Potassium plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure and maintaining fluid balance in the body. These nutrients contribute to overall health and well-being, making beans a true superfood. The vibrant array of vegetables in minestrone soup is not just aesthetically pleasing, it's a testament to the nutritional diversity this soup offers. From the deep red of tomatoes to the bright green of spinach, each vegetable contributes its unique set of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, creating a symphony of flavors and health benefits. Nature's pharmacy is truly at play in this hearty and wholesome soup. Tomatoes, rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, contribute to heart health and protect against certain types of cancer. Carrots, packed with vitamin A, promote healthy vision and boost the immune system. Celery, a good source of potassium and fiber, helps regulate blood pressure and maintain digestive health. The combination of these vegetables creates a nutritional powerhouse in every spoonful. Leafy greens like spinach and kale add a boost of vitamins K and C, essential for blood clotting and immune function, respectively. Zucchini, a good source of fiber and antioxidants, contributes to digestive health and protects against cell damage. Onions and garlic, with their sulfur-containing compounds, offer anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Each vegetable plays a vital role in creating a balanced and nutritious meal. The variety of colors in the vegetables is a visual reminder of the diverse range of phytonutrients they contain. These phytonutrients, or plant compounds, offer a wide array of health benefits, from protecting against chronic diseases to boosting cognitive function. The more colorful your minestrone, the greater the variety of phytonutrients you're consuming, maximizing the health benefits of this delicious soup. It's a true celebration of nature's bounty. Whole grains, such as the small pasta often added to minestrone, provide a foundation for a healthy and long life. Unlike refined grains, which have been stripped of their bran and germ, whole grains retain all three parts of the grain kernel: the bran, germ, and endosperm. This makes them a rich source of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, contributing to overall health and well-being. The fiber in whole grains promotes healthy digestion, regulates blood sugar levels, and helps lower cholesterol. It also contributes to feelings of fullness, which can aid in weight management. The B vitamins found in whole grains are essential for energy production and nerve function, while minerals like magnesium and iron play vital roles in various bodily processes. Choosing whole grain pasta for your minestrone adds a satisfying chew and a nutty flavor to the soup, enhancing both its texture and taste. It also boosts the nutritional value of the soup, making it a more complete and balanced meal. The combination of whole grains with beans and vegetables creates a synergistic blend of nutrients that work together to support optimal health. Including whole grains in your diet is a simple yet powerful way to improve your overall health and increase your lifespan. They provide sustained energy, support digestive health, and protect against chronic diseases. By choosing whole grain pasta for your minestrone, you're adding a nutritional powerhouse to an already healthy and delicious meal. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your long-term health. Creating a pot of longevity-boosting minestrone soup is a simple and rewarding process. This recipe is a celebration of fresh, wholesome ingredients, combining the nutritional power of beans, vegetables, and whole grains into a flavorful and satisfying meal. Gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and let's embark on a culinary journey to wellness. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 carrots chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 14.5-ounce can diced tomatoes undrained, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 15-ounce can cannellini beans, rinsed and drained, 1 cup chopped zucchini, 1 cup chopped kale, ½ cup small whole grain pasta, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: heat olive oil in a large pot over medium heat, add onion, carrots, and celery and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. 2. Add garlic and cook for 1 minute more. 3. Stir in diced tomatoes, vegetable broth, cannellini beans, zucchini, and kale. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes. 4. Add whole grain pasta and cook until tender, about 8 to 10 minutes. 5. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Ladle a generous portion of minestrone soup into a bowl and inhale the fragrant steam, a blend of earthy vegetables, herbaceous greens, and comforting broth. Each spoonful is a journey of textures and flavors, a testament to the simple elegance of wholesome ingredients. This isn't just a meal, it's an experience, a celebration of wellness and the joy of nourishing your body. As you savor each bite, appreciate the nutritional symphony at play. The beans packed with protein and fiber, the vegetables bursting with vitamins and minerals, the whole grains providing sustained energy. Each ingredient contributes to a harmonious blend of flavors and health benefits. This is the essence of mindful eating, appreciating the nourishment and vitality that each ingredient provides. The warmth of the soup spreads through you, a comforting embrace from the inside out. The flavors mingle on your palate, creating a complex yet balanced taste profile. The subtle sweetness of the carrots, the slight bitterness of the kale, the earthiness of the beans, the tanginess of the tomatoes, each element plays its part in creating a culinary masterpiece. This is more than just a bowl of soup, it's a ritual of self-care, a moment to pause and nourish your body and soul. It's a reminder that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. It can be a simple, joyful experience, a celebration of the abundance of nature's gifts. Savor each moment, each flavor, each nourishing bite. My grandmother's legacy lives on, not just in the memories we cherish but in the simple, healthy habits she instilled in us. Her minestrone soup, a beacon of nourishment and well-being, continues to grace our tables, inspiring us to make healthy choices for a long and vibrant life. It's a legacy we are proud to carry forward, sharing the gift of minestrone with future generations. Just as my grandmother shared her culinary wisdom with us, we encourage you to share this recipe with your loved ones. Gather around the table, share stories, and savor the flavors of wellness together. Let minestrone soup become a symbol of connection, a celebration of health, and a testament to the power of simple, nourishing food. Food is more than just sustenance, it's a way to connect with our heritage, our families, and ourselves. It's a source of comfort, joy, and vitality. By making conscious choices about what we eat, we can not only improve our own health, but also inspire others to do the same. Let minestrone soup be a catalyst for positive change, a symbol of a healthier and happier future. We invite you to try this recipe and experience the transformative power of minestrone soup. Share your culinary creations with us, tell us your stories, and let us celebrate the joy of healthy eating together. Let's create a legacy of health, one bowl of minestrone at a time. If you found this video helpful and want to uncover more secrets to living a healthier, longer life, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content filled with natural health tips and recipes. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can benefit too. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future videos packed with insights to keep you feeling your best. Thank you for being part of our health-focused community.